This question was asked in electrical 2005 gate paper. So we are given a matrix R and we are asked to find out the top row of it. Now we are just asked to find out the top row, so we don't have to compute the entire inverse of the matrix, and let's see how we can solve this quickly. Anyway, we know that inverse of a matrix is given as adjoint of A by determinant of A. So anyway, we have to find out the determinant. So let's quickly find out what is the determinant of this matrix. I'm going to do an elementary column operation. I will add these two columns to quickly solve it. We have the first column as it is, the second one also. Now I'm going to add C1 and C2 and C1 and C3, that is C3 equal to C1 plus C3. So we can add rows or columns without changing the value of the determinant. So we will obtain 0 here. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now we can quickly solve this determinant. That will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now what is adjoint? Adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of cofactor matrix. We need to find out the transpose of the cofactor matrix and divide it by determinant. So determinant, so this is R. Okay, anyway, now how can we find the transpose of cofactor matrix? First we have to find out the cofactors and then take its transpose. We are asked to find out the top row of R inverse. Okay, so once we take the transpose, we know to obtain the top row we have to look for the top column. So this column will become the top row in the case of inverse, because we have to take the transpose. So we have to check the cofactor of these elements and see how we can obtain the top row. Now here in the options we can quickly see the second element is completely different in all the 4 cases. So we will look for the cofactor of this 2. So the sign will be plus, minus, plus, so it is minus. And what is the minor of 2? That will be, we have to delete this row and this column and find out the determinant, that is 2 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 3, that is plus 3, and we have a minus here outside. So the cofactor corresponding to 2 is minus 3, and this will be the middle element. So clearly option B is the correct answer.